Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Let's upgrade the sandwich bar in a South Indian way. So let's start making Medu Vada sandwich. Ingredients required for the filling are coriander leaves, smashed green peas, capsicums, tomatoes, red chilli powder, salt, butter and Pav Bhaji masala. First, we'll take 1 tablespoon butter. You all can even use ghee out here. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons finely chopped green capsicum. Allow it to saute it for 2 minutes. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons finely chopped tomatoes. Then we'll add around 3 tablespoons smashed peas. I've just pressure cooked it and then smashed it. Add 1 teaspoon Pav Bhaji masala, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder and salt to taste. See to it that the smashed peas is not liquidy. We want the filling to be thick enough. 1 tablespoon coriander leaves and our filling is ready. Other ingredients required for Medu Vada sandwich are Medu Vadas, cheese, the filling which we just prepared and salsa sauce. Take a Medu Vada and just cut it from between. I've done that with the other one as well. Now we are going to put the filling which we just made. Then goes in the salsa sauce. You all can check out the recipe by clicking the I button. And then just cover it with the other one. Do the same thing with the other one. Now we are just going to grate cheese on top. And we'll just bake this for 2 minutes. I've baked it for 2 minutes and now it's ready to serve. Our Medu Vada sandwich is ready. I hope you all like this different recipe and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.